Just been wiping all the dust.
We're back aboard after a week-long haul out, and we're looking different.
Oh, it's hard to get used to.
Jeremiah and I have both been up since 4 a.m.
It's time to splash this baby.
It's cool you can drive with remote control, right, Reese?
Yeah.
4 wires are coming down.
And then we're getting into more installs.
I'm under our bed.
Jeremiah is not a breakfast person.
Ready? Let's do it.
We've just gotten back to the boat. It's still on the hard. Bryn,
Yeah.
what are you getting into now?
Food.
Food? Oh, okay. We are working together to get it tidied up. It was a bit of a mess. I've wiped down all the floors, the counters. Unfortunately, his little sister created a mess in his room, so he's now cleaning up after her. Good job, Reese.
Thanks.
What do you think about being on the hard?
Good. In a way.
What have you been doing?
Vacuuming, cleaning up toys, because Bryn, and watching Bryn.
Yeah. Yeah, okay. We're all working together here. Bryn's room has become the storage room. So we're all like pulling together to watch her because she can't exactly play with her toys. And we're a little freaked out about her falling off the boat. What'd you find, Bryn?
Chocolate.
Chocolate. Oh, great. Okay. Can I have that? Give me the bag of chocolate, please. It's okay. It's gonna be okay. Slowly bringing stuff on, getting it organized. What do you think?
It's messy.
Very, very messy.
Yeah, I mean the boat's clean on the outside, but the inside is pretty messy. I mean, we had a lot of stuff done. I mean, we had the thruster, 2 thrusters taken off on the bow and the stern. That was 6 holes. We had a through hull patch. That's another hole. We had through hull back, or a part back here that was drilled for a wind generator patched and gel coated. This is a lot of work that they're doing, you know what I mean? So it got a little messy, but that's okay. We're gonna put it back in the water tomorrow at 8. We're gonna go right to a dock, finish up a couple things. There's a little bit of touch-up paint on the inside of those fiberglass patches. We're gonna finish this stainless work, which they've already, you can see they've been opening these things and they've drilled a couple holes for the mounts. So they're working on it slowly, but they wanna put it on while it's in the water. How's it going for you?
Just been wiping all the dust, and every time I wipe something it's all black, you know, so put the carpets back down, just make it like livable again for tonight at least. We get to stay on the boat on the hard. It'll be our first time.
Yeah, sleeping on the hard.
Sleeping on the
It should be cool. It's hot as balls right now, but
It is really hot.
it's supposed to cool down tonight.
I know. Have you done both props?
No, I'm just doing this one now. No, and look, there's grease in there. They might have, maybe they serviced it, but I'll service it again. Take this little set screw out. You hook a little adapter on there, pump it in. It's easy.
They look shiny and pretty.
Yeah, that's the prop speed.
Is it wet still?
No, it looks like it though. We've used prop speed this time and last time, and I really like it. If you let the boat sit a long time, it will grow, but if you use the boat, like you just spin the props, everything just comes right off. There's other ways to do it, but I choose prop speed.
What do you think of our new color?
Nice, how you like it?
Oh, it's hard to get used to.
You're supposed to spin it as you do this. Pump it in, spin it.
All we have to do is grease the max props before we splash. I kind of miss the red bottom paint, but the black paint will last longer, so that's cool. We settled in for the night, ready for a 8 a.m. splash appointment.
Just waking up here. That was a pretty rough night of sleep. Jeremiah and I have both been up since 4 a.m. and like there's a train that goes by literally probably every 20 to 40 minutes and it's super loud right behind the boat. It's like 7 a.m. now and we're just getting stuff going before they haul us back in the water in a little less than an hour. So doing like final checks. Once they put us in the water, they look through the boat at all their repairs and make sure everything's all good.
How you doing?
All right, how you doing?
I'm a little tired.
Yeah, me too.
You just doing your final checks?
Yeah, just, you know, open through halls and stuff like that, like the engines, because we're going to shut the engines once we splash. And I just need to go down there. I want to take pictures of everything under the water line. Just check everything, make sure everything's good. Get ready.
This baby is ready to go back in the water where she belongs. We've completed a bunch of items. The external thrusters are gone, the wind generator and the mount is gone, 8 holes in the hull have been repaired, props are polished and serviced, shaft seal systems are new, bottom paint is new, and the gel coat has been compounded, waxed, and polished. It's always so exciting to see her going back in the water, ready for more adventures.
So right now we're trying to run new wires for our new solar panels. I'm under our bed on the starboard side, waiting for them to pass the wire through. I'm the only one that can fit down here, and it's getting harder and harder. Are you trying to put a wire through? Okay, I got it. Okay.
How do you like running wire, babe?
It's fine. It's this tight area that's the difficult part.
This is always like an adventure right here. Watch your head.
It's getting more difficult.
Oh, age, yeah. They didn't think about that. They could have made this way bigger or something. I don't know.
Well, no, our doors are in there.
Yeah. Nice job. Well, you came out pretty good.
Getting out is easier than getting in.
So we're running this cable. There's going to be 2 of these going to our charge controllers. Charge controller is going to be all right here on a board, and then we're going to put these really big breakers back behind the TV right here. This comes off. There's an area. So we're going to put a board up there, mount these really thick breakers.
I'm so tired.
We're paying for it, and we're doing it.
How'd you sleep in our son's bed last night?
It was good. I've always slept good in there.
I'm really not happy with our current living situation. It's a little difficult.
Yeah, this is the electronics upgrade. Solar chargers going down here. Breakers are going up in here. There's a hole there. Today, we're gonna get the engines aligned. They're also gonna finish some gel coat stuff, some painting for some fiberglass repairs for those thrusters.
So 8 a.m. just got a phone call and we have 30 minutes to be ready.
Actually, he didn't even want to give 30 minutes. He's like, are you ready? I was like, well, the baby's sleeping.
Yeah,
he was like, all right. He goes, well, we'll be quiet. Oh,
she's
good morning, Bryn.
Come on, let's go see. We've put our 2 kids in Bryn's room and we've now taken over Reese's room. We have massive electrical stuff going on. Our solar and arch is not a part of the yard. We subcontracted that out. So this was supposed to be done on the hard. It was not done. So now we're back living on the boat and now we're living in it. So it's not good. It's great. I'm like really happy about this.
Hey, guys.
I got it. Here, hop down.
Good morning, dude.
Come on, Dad.
Good morning, Bryn.
Oh, okay. How'd you sleep?
Good fun.
Yeah?
I got some water in the
You got some water?
All right. Good morning, everybody.
All right, we have like 10 minutes to get out of here. All right, so we did that in like 10 minutes or less. Did you notice that the fiberglass cart was there?
Yeah, he already came over, but he probably was like, Lou probably told him, oh, the baby's still sleeping, so.
8:30.
But we're out of there.
Yeah, you want some juice? Here, have a sip. We got out of there fairly quickly. Jeremiah is not a breakfast person, but this sure is making him get up and go to breakfast with us. We found this great little breakfast spot. We had it yesterday, and it seems to just work when they come early in the morning. Nobody's eaten, everybody's just waking up, so it's better to get everybody off the boat and hit up some breakfast. Reese, are you gonna get the same thing you got yesterday?
Yep.
How about you?
Yeah, they had this, it was like a Philly cheesesteak burrito or something. It was awesome.
Yeah, it was really good. Brinzy,
Watch, they're not going to have it probably because it's earlier.
are you gonna, no, we're not taking a picture. Are you gonna get a smoothie?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'd like a smoothie, please.
I hear movies.
Sunrise City in Fort Pierce, Florida. This is a great breakfast spot if you're ever in the area.
Is it everything you dreamed of? Yeah. Let's see yours, honey. smoothie.
Then it was back to the boat.
You ready to go to Clubhouse?
Yeah.
You're gonna do schoolwork there.
The kids and I will head up to the clubhouse for school and playtime. Jeremiah will stay on the boat and monitor some of the maintenance going on, which is engine alignment and fiberglass repair.
Is the boat still out of use?
Yeah.
Can I make everybody lunch or no?
The whole floorboard in the galley is up.
Okay. Then we need to probably eat lunch here.
All right. Do that. Hey, lizard!
Sometimes you just have to find stuff to entertain the kids while things are happening in the background, like finding lizards.
Are you ready to run wire?
Yeah.
What we're gonna do is we're hooking up the solar stuff right now. So these are 3 of the circuit breakers for the solar panel. So we're gonna have 4 different solar chargers. The chargers will be down here if you wanna see. Like that, we're mounting them to this board right here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Bus bars, little breakers. The way it's gonna work is 4 different panels, but 2 are on one. 4 wires are coming down. They're gonna go behind the TV up in here, and this is gonna be there. So you're gonna have, each will be for those 4 different wires from the solar. Then it will continue on and go down here into the solar chargers. And then they're all gonna come together for a bus and go forward behind you to the batteries. We have to take big thick wire and run it from here, where the chargers will be, up there. You ready?
Oh yeah, babe. I was born ready. Sunday you have me working, but it's rainy outside, so it's fine.
So we're gonna go through here. And then what you'll do is just kind of feed wire, you know what I'm saying? Okay. Pretty tight. And as we go, see there's the wire? As
Yes.
we'll go, we'll just move a thing out of the way. Now we're gonna go forward.
This stuff, while kind of fun, it's sort of a pain too. It usually ends up being a little trickier than you anticipated, but that's okay. We're working together and that's always a nice thing. Coming up next time, we're installing a massive custom solar array plus more.
It is complete chaos today.
This is where you come to get boat work.
I'm telling you, like,
I will never go anywhere else.
We have people going up the mast, people installing solar, and also welding a frame onto the back of our boat.
We don't always do completely insane upgrades, but when we do it big, and things will get scary.
He fell.
You can visit us at www.thelazygeckos.com. You can also see more on our server and Vimeo channels. Please subscribe and check out these other episodes. See you next time.